escape from thinking of you. Yet there is always something left that never fits, so I dig deeper into my mind. When my day's fulfilled by the happiest memories, always wishing that night would never come. No shelter from the pain, all I hear is the sound of rain. Let me stay, let me keep it that way. Though my heart is filled with numbness, why do I still feel so much sadness? So please wash away all my heartache. Every raindrop falling on me, melting my tears. Nobody knows that I'm standing here soaking-wet and alone, holding something I don't need. What am I still looking for? Let me sing in the rain, just let it be. Unspeakable feelings overflow and flow, drowning in this emptiness. The lines are crossing in my mind, although I already know that it is time to walk away. Let me sing in the rain, just let it be. Oh, rain, don't stop, just keep falling. I see many windows, each with their own memories, wishing they are all filled with smiles and joy. My heart is like the ocean, it's dark and deep, so I dive deeper into my mind. Night after night, the past is still in my dreams. I still cling to the sweet memories. All I can remember is that it's all joy and hope. Let me stay, let me feel it that way. Now my heart is filled with warmth. Oh, rain, please don't wash us away, wandering from puddle to the sky.